Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Flashbots with MetaMask. Flashbots is a crucial tool designed to protect your Ethereum transactions from harmful front-running and sandwich attacks, which can cost users significant value. MetaMask, on the other hand, is a popular and secure browser wallet. By integrating these two powerful tools, you can significantly enhance your transaction privacy and security, ensuring your trades are executed fairly and efficiently on the blockchain. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet and locate the network selection dropdown. You will need to add a new custom RPC network. Input the specific Flashbots Protect RPC URL, which is typically https://rpc Flashbots net, and ensure the chain ID is set to 1 for the Ethereum mainnet. After saving these details, your MetaMask will be configured to send transactions through the Flashbots network, bypassing the public mempool. Once your MetaMask is configured, sending a private transaction is straightforward. Simply initiate your desired transaction as you normally would, whether it is a token swap or a transfer. When you confirm the transaction, the Flashbots Protect RPC will automatically bundle it. This ensures your transaction is sent directly to miners for inclusion in a block, completely bypassing the public mempool and significantly reducing the risk of front-running. Using Flashbots with MetaMask offers several key benefits. You gain enhanced privacy and robust protection against malicious bots that seek to exploit your transactions. Your trades are far less likely to be front-run or caught in a sandwich attack, saving you potential losses. Always double-check the Flashbots Protect RPC URL to ensure authenticity. This method is especially recommended for sensitive or high-value transactions, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.